Hey guys, Firearms Addict here. In today's video we're going to unbox the Ruger Wrangler and also put some first rounds through it. Let's see what's in the box. This particular Wrangler comes packed in a plain cardboard box. Ruger has a congratulations statement on your purchase. Inside you get an ATF Handgun Safety Act notice. Ruger packs the Wrangler inside a plastic bag and also has some foam packing material to protect it. That's a nice gesture on their part. Firearm comes just like this. It's not covered in oil or anything. It does have a safety cylinder holdback here to prevent rotation of the cylinder. And this model comes with a Ruger holster. It's got the nice Ruger Phoenix. Regarding paperwork, you get an instruction manual, get a Ruger sticker, join the NRA, warranty card, a notice about ordering Ruger accessories online, a nice thank you, and a 20% off discount if you do shop online. And that's everything that's in the box except for hidden inside the holster. You have a handgun safety lock. The first thing you want to do before shooting is to remove this cylinder stop. And to do that, you open your loading gate. Then you'll press this button and pull this pin out to remove your cylinder. And then you can just take that off. Now what I always like to do also is I run a cleaning patch down through the barrel just to make sure that there's no obstructions left from the manufacturing, no pieces of grit, metal in there. I do that with all firearms. To put this back together, you put your cylinder in and just push the pin back. The procedure to operate the revolver is you open your loading gate. Ruger's cylinder will freely spin on the Wrangler. You load your 6 cartridges, close your loading gate, and pull the hammer all the way back. This particular revolver does not have a half-cock position like many single actions. And you are ready to fire. Let's check it out and see how it shoots. This particular Wrangler comes with a holster. The holster has a leather tong to hold the hammer to avoid the revolver from falling out. It's got a 4.5-inch barrel, and as I said earlier, it's a single action. Let's use this for what it's made for, doing some plinking. To unload the Wrangler, you open the loading gate. If you notice, you do not hear the audible clicks like you do with most single action revolvers. This makes, for me, the unloading a little bit harder, trying to match up where the extractor lines up. It's a lot of fun bouncing cans across the range. Let's try our hand at the steel knockdowns. Cowboy. Missed. There he goes. Rattlesnake. Got him. Little coyote. Whoa, that was me. Over the top. Ugh. Don't even know where that one went. Out. Another coyote again. No. There we go. Big cactus. All right, that was it. Did much better that second time. The Wrangler's a really fun little plinker. I want to do a head-to-head against the Heritage Rough Rider. See which one I like the best, if I can even determine that. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a head-to-head against the Heritage Rough Rider. Let's do a little bit of eye candy with the Dr. Thunder and some dueling tree action. Dr. Thunder exploded. And I'm out. Fun though. Something I've noticed with the Wrangler, after you load it up, watch this. I'll pull back on the hammer, it does nothing. So once you've finished loading and you've closed your loading gate, you want to twist the cylinder until it falls into the cylinder stop. And once you do that, you can actually cock the action. Rolling the can. Here's the sight picture on the Wrangler. It's got a rear notch and a front blade sight. The rear notch is nice and crisp. I really like that. I think it's picking up pretty well here in this video. And this is what the sights look like from the side. Let's see how the Wrangler does on paper at 20 feet. All right, let's look at the target. Here we go. That is not a bad little group. I would say 2.25 inches. Shooting a little bit low and a little bit left for me. All right, last two. To make this a little more challenging, I'm going to do one hand. Egg. There we go. All right, I got a pile of cans out there. I want to try weak-handed. I don't shoot like this often, but this is a fun little gun. Let's see how we do. There we go. Oh yeah. Nope, out. Ruger Wrangler. It is a fun little pistol. It appears to be constructed well. I like the sights on it. The operation is nice and smooth and easy. I'm more used to a traditional single action, but so far I haven't had any issues with the way this one operates with the loading gate and the free moving cylinder and no half cock. I look forward to sharing the Wrangler more and sharing those shooting experiences with you all. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I'd love to hear your experiences with the Wrangler and any comments, questions that y'all have. And if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, and thank you for watching.